Welcome back to Goldfries. This is the Montech Air X casing that retails at RM259, which is just about what, 60 plus US dollars, and it is a casing with great airflow, and I'm going to tell you more about what I like about this casing. This fantastic casing looks simple. From the front, you see that the appearance is not one that shouts for attention. With the front grille panel removed, you see the key feature of the Montech Air X, which is cooling. There are two 200mm fans ready to push air into the case. Montech Air X comes with a power supply cover that stretches from the front to back, with no opening to show the power supply, but with plenty of cutouts for cable management and also SSD placement. There are rubber grommets included for the cutouts at the motherboard tray. I like that they place all the buttons and input ports not towards the front but towards the side closest to the underside of the motherboard tray. All cables are routed from the top and it comes pre-cable managed. At the underside, there's the filter for the power supply and 4 great looking feet for the casing. Getting the power supply in place wasn't difficult. There is a removable cage at the front that you have to detach to fit the power supply. With the power supply in place, you can then proceed to matters like cable management and also place your drive into drive bays like the one included over here. With the motherboard and memory in place, you should get the idea by now on how spacious this casing can be. I like it that the expansion slots are not cheaped out as well. All of them have a cover and the card is secured inside the casing, which is unlike many other casings where you secure them by having the screws on the outer side of the casing and require another cover just to close the opening. The Montech Air is not a long casing. It can fit a large size card like this RX57XT Type T from ASRock, as long as you have no intention to place radiators at the front. Cable management is easy. This is the final outcome of the assembly with very minimal effort on cable management. Here's what the system looks like after powering up. All the fans are connected to the provided hub. You can use the fan with other connectors or hubs as they're using standard 3-pin 5V connectors. You are able to cycle through the lighting modes by pressing the button at the top of the case or control it through motherboard software. I tested the system with the ASRock RX57XT Type G running Unigine Superposition 1080p Extreme, and here is the result, which is impressive. The 1 degree difference is pretty much within the margin of error of front-to-run variants and clearly shows that the casing provides excellent airflow. Lastly, we have the easily secured tempered glass to make the silent system even more silent. Alright, so we come to the end of this video. The Montech Air X casing is just superb. I'd like to give it a gold badge. And in fact, I like to give it a double gold badge. At RM259, you get two 200mm fans and 120mm fans exhaust. Superb airflow. It looks great. Cable management, everything was easy. What more could you ask for a casing at this price point? The only reason for you to look away from this casing is that it has not enough slots for your hard disks. So yeah, overall, splendid casing. I never thought I'd come across a casing of this good performance at this price point. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.